Good morning, boys and girls. So today we are going to talk about verbs. Remember, a verb is an action word. An action word is something that you do. It could be something you see or something that you don't see. So today we're going to talk about present and past verbs. Remember, past tense verbs talk about verbs that happen in the past or things that happen in the past. Present tense verbs talk about verbs that happen now. So here I have a chart with some present. This group here, this column here, is a list of present tense verbs. On the right, this is a list of past tense verbs. Okay, so we will take our first row and work through these. So what does this say? Grow. And our past tense verb is grew. Now let's stop right there. We've learned in the past that usually in order to make a present tense verb a past tense verb, we just add the suffix or the word ending ed. So if I want to say thank you now, I would use the base word thank. If I thanked somebody in the past, I would write the suffix or the word ending ed. Thanked. I thanked him. Usually we can do that, but not with all verbs. We have some verbs that do not follow the rules, and these are examples of those irregular verbs that don't follow the rules. So instead of writing, so here's grow, if I want to grow something now, in the present, and if I grew it in the past, I don't add ed because growed isn't a word. Instead, the word changes to grew. In present, here's another verb, something that is happening now. Run, and I don't put ed. I change the word to ran. Our present tense verb here is what? Very good. This is the word come, and if I came in the past, I use the word came. Now listen to these sentences. Okay, so I will read some sentences and you will help me to figure out which verb I need to use in each of these sentences, okay? Make sure to think about whether this sentence happened in the past or is happening now. Okay, so the first sentence needs to use either this verb or this verb in it. Okay, so either know or knew. Now listen to this sentence and try to find out which of these versions of the word know fits. Tommy blank, he wanted to be an artist. So let's try our first verb. Tommy know he wanted to be an artist. No. Tommy, this is talking about something that has happened in the past, so we need to use the past tense verb. Tommy knew he wanted to be an artist. Very good. Now, the next sentence will deal with these two verbs here. All right. What are they? Drew and draw. Now listen to this sentence and help me put the correct verb in the sentence. He blank pictures all the time. He drew pictures all the time, or he draw pictures all the time? We're still talking about the past. This is something that happened in Tommy's childhood, so he drew pictures all the time. Okay, so here are the next two verbs. All right, and listen carefully. Go and went. This next sentence goes like this. Tommy blank to art school. Tommy go to art school or Tommy went to art school? Which is the correct form? We're still talking about the past, so he went to art school. Very good.